onion comes from Karnataka.
Fresh vegetables. Come buy fresh vegetables. Pink onions, red tomatoes, green cauliflower, peas, spinach. Fresh vegetables.
Meenu, I want some onions and tomatoes. Will you please go and buy them? Here, take this money.
Yes, Grandma. I will go and buy them. Good morning, Uncle.
Good morning, Meenu. Look, I have very fresh vegetables today. What do you want?
Uncle, I want 1 kilo of onion and half a kilo of tomatoes.
Sure, Meenu. Let me weigh it for you. Here are your onions and tomatoes.
Thank you, Uncle. Meenu, look at that onion. It is dancing. Meenu, help, help. It is winking at me. Oh, Buzz, you get scared of everything. Which onion is dancing?
Good morning, Meenu. I am here.
Oh, Mr. Onion. Good morning, Mr. Onion. Mr. Onion, you can dance very well.
Don't call me Mr. Onion. Just Onion is fine. Actually, I can dance very well. Even better than this. But I am a little tired today. I had a long journey from Karnataka.
Long journey from Karnataka? Where is Karnataka? Come, Buzz. I will show you Karnataka on my atlas. See, this is the map of India. Look, there are many states. This is Karnataka. It is in the southern part of India.
Yes, this is where I come from, Karnataka. I was grown with lots of love and care by a farmer and his little daughter. The girl's name is Padma. She is very sweet like you, Meenu.
Girls are very sweet, Onion, but boys are also not bad. So, you are from a farm in Karnataka. You come from that far? How did you grow on the farm? Who brought you here? Buzz, you asked too many questions. Onion, you can give the answers slowly, one by one.
I will tell you how I grew. I was grown in Padma's father's farm. Padma calls her father Appa.
Just like we call our father Papa.
That's right. My seeds were sown in the month of July. Before that, Padma's Appa prepared the field to sow my seeds. He gets very busy during this time and has to do a lot of things. So Padma goes with him to the field to help him.
Even my Papa needs a lot of help when he works in the field. So sometimes after school, my brother Chinu and I help him in the field.
I told you that Padma is also a sweet girl like you. She also helps her father. Her Appa uses a khunti to dig the soil to make it loose and soft.
Khunti? What is a khunti?
Oh, it is called like that in the Kannada language. I can draw it and show it to you. You will know what it is called in your place.
It is a spade. It is called Favra in Hindi. Friends, is there any other name for this? If you know of some other name, please tell that loudly. Okay, so first, Padma's Appa prepares the field for sowing onion seeds.
That's right, Meenu. Then he uses his bullocks to pull the kurige, and Padma's Appa walks behind them. He has a small bowl from which he sprinkles onion seeds in the field.
Stop. Kurige? What is a kurige onion?
Oh, it is a Kannada word again. I will show you how it looks. Look, you have got one in your house also, Meenu. That is a kurige.
Oh, it is called a plow or hull in Hindi. It is used to plow the field. Friends, what is it called in your place? I like to sit on the plow when Papa plows the field. Oh, that must be lots of fun. Just pick up seeds and throw them in the field.
It is not easy, Buzz. Even Padma keeps asking her Appa whether she can sprinkle some seeds because it looks so simple. But her Appa says that the right amount of seeds have to be dropped at a regular distance. He says that Padma is too young to do that properly. She has to grow a little older to do that well.
Oh, so it is not that simple to just sprinkle seeds in the field. Then what happens to the seeds, Onion?
After about 20 days, I start to sprout. Tiny, tiny leaves come out.
Who helps you to grow?
Oh, I keep sleeping inside the soil when I am a seed. Then the sun, wind, and rain help me to grow. I love to come out of the soil and see the world. But along with me, lots of weeds also grow in the field.
Weeds? How do they grow? Who plants them? Buzz, nobody plants them. Sometimes seeds get blown by the wind and they fall in the fields. Fields have enough water, sunlight, and the soil is prepared well to grow plants. So these weeds also grow with them. What do these weeds do? Weeds are bad for the main crop, Buzz. They also use up the water and fertilizers that are put for the onion plant. If there are too many weeds, the onion plants will not get enough water and fertilizers. They will not grow well and then will not be healthy. So the weeds have to be removed.
That's right. Weeds trouble me a lot. They don't let me grow properly. So Padma, her mother, her brother, and her uncle help her appa to remove the weeds.
Oh, so you must be growing well once the weeds are removed.
Yes, Buzz. I grow well and become taller. Padma comes to meet me every day. I love the breeze and sway, and Padma dances with me. Padma is always very happy to see me grow. When I grow fully, I can touch her knees.
Even I like to go to our field, Onion. Chinu and I run in our field and dance with the plants.
I also like it when children come to meet me in the field. You are all my friends, but I cannot be left in the field forever. Then I will die. Once I grow fully, my leaves start turning yellow and dry up. Then Padma's appa says, I am ready to be taken out. So their whole family work together and pull me and the other onions out.
They must be very happy to see you out, Onion. Every time we have a good harvest, Papa and all of us are very happy.
Yes, they are very happy when I come out. All my friends were nice and fat this time. Then Padma's mother and grandmother take each one of us and cut off our leaves. They use an illige to cut my leaves.
Onion, again you have used a Kannada word. What is an illige? Is it a knife?
It is not a knife exactly, but it cuts like a knife. I will draw it for you. Look, it looks like this. What do you call this?
Oh, this is called illige in Kannada. We call this tarati. It has very sharp edges. We have to be careful when we use this to cut vegetables and fruits. Friends, what do you call this? What do they do after they cut your leaves, Onion?
Padma's appa, her uncle, and even Padma help in putting us in big sacks and packing. Then Padma's appa puts the sacks in his bullock cart and takes us to the big market.
Oh, Papa also takes vegetables, fruits and rice in sacks to sell in the big market. But he takes them on his tractor or some truck.
Oh, there must be good roads in your village. That's why your papa uses his tractor or truck. But the roads in Padma's village are not good. They are very narrow and broken in most places. That is why her appa has to use his bullock cart or sometimes his cycle.
You are right, Onion. The road in the next village is also not good. They also use a bullock cart or cycle to bring the sacks to the big market. Sometimes people even carry the heavy sacks to the big market.
What did Padma's appa do in the big market?
He sold us in the big market to big buyers. Then we were put in trucks and sent to different parts of India. We had to travel a long distance then. I traveled for many days and reached a place. Someone bought many sacks of onions and he sold me to this vegetable vendor. And now I have come to your house.
Oh, you have traveled a long distance, Onion. Now I can understand why you are so tired. Come, let's go in.
Don't you want to know about my story?
Oh, who is that?
It's me, the tomato. Look, I am also inside this basket.
Hello, Tomato. You look really red and lovely. Where do you come from?
I am from Uttar Pradesh. Lots of tomatoes are grown there.
How do you grow? Same like onion?
No, not really. I grow on the branches of a plant above the soil. The farmer sows my seeds in a small area. In a few days, I start sprouting into a tiny plant. Then he picks out each plant and plants us again neatly in even rows in his field.
Oh, that is so different from the onion.
That's right. I grow fully in 55 to 60 days. After that, he plucks me and packs me very carefully in sacks.
Oh, you are very soft, Tomato. If the farmer doesn't pack you carefully, then you can get spoiled.
That's right. Tomatoes squeezing each other.
If tomatoes squeeze each other, then we will only get tomato sauce. Not nice red and round tomatoes.
Oh, you are right, Meenu. Then, I am also sold in the big markets like the onions. Then, I travel to come to your house and give you strength.
So you grow in a different way from onions?
We are very different, Buzz. Have you seen a bottle gourd or a bitter gourd? They grow on creepers. They also grow very quickly.
So vegetables are very different. Some grow on the roots, some grow on branches of plants, some hang from a creeper, some are leaves of plants.
Leaves of plant?
Yes, cabbage is the leaf of that plant, Buzz.
Meenu, Buzz, where are my onions? Did you go to the field to pull out the onions and pluck the tomatoes? Why have you taken so much time?
Oh, nothing, Grandma. We went with the onion to Karnataka and with tomato to Uttar Pradesh.
Buzz, what are you saying? You have gone mad. Minu, give me the basket.
Here, Grandma, take it.
What's wrong with both of you? Both of you have gone mad. I think you are hungry. Let me go and make some food for you.
Friends, did you like the trip to Karnataka with onion and Uttar Pradesh with tomato? Which vegetable is grown in your area? Do you know how it is grown? Can you find out? If you know, you can tell me and your friends about it. Is your father a farmer? Do you help your father in the field?
Shall we help us match the things correctly? Carrot, root, cabbage, leaf, sugarcane, stem, bitter gourd, creeper, pea, seed, banana flower, flower, carrot, root, cabbage, leaf, sugarcane, stem, bitter gourd, creeper, pea, seed, banana flower, flower, Let's now answer the following questions. Friends, will you please write the answer in your notebook? What is the name of the tool that a farmer uses to loosen the soil? Can you tell how it is called in your language? What are the different kinds of crops that are grown in your area? Why are the children of many farmers not able to attend school for some days? Children of many farmers are unable to attend school for some days because they help the farmer in the field. In which month is the onion crop planted? The onion crop is planted in the month of July. What is a kurige called in English and Hindi? A kurige is called a plow in English and a hull in Hindi. What do the seeds need to grow? Seeds need sun, wind, water, and good soil to grow. Why are weeds harmful to a crop? Weeds are harmful to a crop because they use up the water and fertilizers which the crop needs to grow. What is an illige? What is it used for? An illige is a curved knife used to cut vegetables and fruits. How does a farmer take his harvest to the market? The farmer takes his harvest to the market by a bullock cart, tractor, cycle, truck, or sometimes carries it himself. What other kinds of vehicles are used to carry grains, fruits, and vegetables? Trucks, tractors, and even trains and buses are used to carry grains, fruits and vegetables. Shall we help Butterfly fill in the blanks? Onions are grown in the state of Onions are grown in the state of Karnataka. Karnataka is in India. Karnataka is in South India. A kurige is also called a or a A kurige is also called a plow or a hull. Is used to loosen the soil in Karnataka. Khunti is used to loosen the soil in Karnataka. Etc. are used to carry vegetables, grains, and fruits to the market. Bullock carts, trucks, tractors, etc. are used to carry vegetables, grains, and fruits to the market. Are grown in Uttar Pradesh. Tomatoes are grown in Uttar Pradesh. Tomatoes grow fully in 2 days. Tomatoes grow fully in 55 to 60 days. Grow on creepers. Bottle gourd and bitter gourd grow on creepers. And is used to cut the dried leaves of onions in Karnataka. And illige is used to cut the dried leaves of onions in Karnataka. Onions are grown in the state of Karnataka. Karnataka is in South India. A kurige is also called a plow or a hull. Khunti is used to loosen the soil in Karnataka. Bullock carts, trucks, tractors, etc. are used to carry vegetables, grains, and fruits to the market. Tomatoes are grown in Uttar Pradesh. Tomatoes grow fully in 55 to 60 days. Bottle gourd and bitter gourd grow on creepers. And illige is used to cut the dried leaves of onions in Karnataka. Will you tell Bird loudly which of the following sentences are true and which are false? An illige is a very sharp instrument. True. Children in the south called their father Appa. True. Weeds are very useful to the crops in the fields. False. An onion seed takes 20 months to sprout. False. Weeds use up the waters and fertilizers in the field. True. Onions die when their leaves turn yellow. False. Tomatoes are grown in Uttar Pradesh. True. Tomatoes get spoiled if they are not packed properly. True. Vegetables grow on roots, branches, creepers, and some are also leaves. True. A kurige or hull is used to plow the field. True. Let's now help Bird mark the correct answer. Please tell the answer loudly so that Bird can hear you well. A kurige is also called a knife, plow, none of the above. A kurige is also called a plow. Onions are grown in plenty in Nagaland, Assam, Karnataka. Onions are grown in plenty in Karnataka. Tomatoes are grown in plenty in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Manipur. Tomatoes are grown in plenty in Uttar Pradesh. Onions take about to sprout out of the soil. 1 year, 20 days, 20 minutes, onions take about 20 days to sprout out of the soil. Onions are fully grown when the leaves fall off, the flowers come, the leaves turn yellow. Onions are fully grown when the leaves turn yellow. Vegetables are taken to the market by wind, water, vehicles. Vegetables are taken to the market by vehicles. Crops need to grow air, water and sunlight. Only air, none of the above. Crops need air, water and sunlight to grow. An illige is the Kannada name for a knife, baton, axe. An illige is the Kannada name for a knife. Friends, look at these pictures carefully. Many steps are needed to grow crops. Shall we mark the pictures in order? Harvesting, cutting leaves, sowing seeds, plowing, loosening the soil, packing. Taking out weeds, loosening the soil, plowing, Sowing seeds. Taking out weeds. Harvesting. Cutting leaves. Packing. Loosening the soil. Plowing. Sowing seeds. Taking out weeds. Harvesting. Cutting leaves. Packing. Do you have a map of India in your class? Can you please look at it? Are you able to locate Karnataka and Uttar Pradesh? That's very good. Shall we draw now? Will you also draw with me? Let us draw an Illige, a Kurige, and a Kunti one by one. Kurige, Illige, Kunti,